Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Purva Orient Grand, which is located in Lal Bagh, Central Bangalore, a project developed by Purvankara Group. And today we'll be doing the project unboxing, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, even about the current construction status and the position update. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the main entrance of the project, and once you enter you will be checking out the construction work, the land parcel, and the marketing office, that is the sales office, is on the ground floor of this tower as well. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project with the help of this miniature. So this is spread across 1.15 land parcel with iconic premium single tower featuring 2 basement ground plus 24 floors, having 3 BHK and exclusive 4 BHK apartment. Now let's discuss about the location part. So this project is located on Lal Bagh Main Road, one of the most prestigious and central address in Bangalore. Now about the further connectivity. Close to Bangalore City railway station and major transit route, surrounded with top school like Bishop Cotton, St. Joseph and Baldwin School. Nearly reputed hospital like Apollo Hospital and Malaya Hospital, surrounded by lifestyle hub included UV City and Garuda Mall. Now let's discuss the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in this project is unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures, vitrified tiling, smart home automation system, well ventilated layout with zero shade wall, ensuring fully privacy. Now about external amenities, so let me show you that this project is coming up with luxurious world-class amenities, like you can check out the Zumba area, the pond area, basketball court, table tennis, kids play area, yoga deck, and even there are few amenities on the rooftop with infinity pool and many more.
This project has one type of car parking, and that is the basement level. Now let's do the master plan. This is the master plan of Purva Orient Grand, which comprises just one exclusive tower with spacious 3 and 4 BHK units, ensuring low density and maximum open space. Now about the floor plan. This is the typical floor plan of tower, having 4 flats, 3 lifts, 2 staircases, where 3 flats are of 4 BHK and 1 flat of 3 BHK residencies.
About the current construction status of the project. So as you can check out on the land parcel where the construction work is going on. So the construction work is in progress and one can say that 75% work has been completed. Now about the position part. So the target position by Purvankara Group is June 2027. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project, that is Purva Orient Grand, which is located in Lal Bagh, Central Bangalore, a project by Purvankara Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.